Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can add debit or credit card on your Instagram account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. On the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. Then you'll be led to your profile. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a three-lined icon. If you tap on that, you'll see a settings and privacy option. On the first section, tap on that. You'll now be led to your settings and privacy of your account. Again, tap on the first option, Account Center. You've now been led to your account center, and if you scroll downwards, you'll see a Meta Pay option just above the Meta Verified option. Tap on the Meta Pay. Now you're led to the Orders and Payments page. On the settings option, you'll see Payments Method. Tap on that. Again, tap on the Add Payment Method option. Now you'll see three options for the payment: credit card or debit card, PayPal or ShopPay. Since we're going to add debit or credit card, tap on the debit or credit card option. Now on this page, you will have to add your card number, then the month or the year that the card expires, also the card verification value. Now just below that, you'll have to give your billing address, which consists of your full name, your country, your address, your city. On state, you can just type in the first two letters of the state that you live in, then the zip code of your state. After entering all your credentials, all you have to do is tap on the save option, and then your debit or credit card will be successfully added to Instagram. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.